A common question people have is whether they need to install batteries when they have a grid-tied solar electric system. People also ask if their solar electric system will provide backup power during a power outage.
Grid-tied solar electric systems don't require batteries to operate. In fact, the majority of solar electric systems are installed without batteries. However, grid-tied systems without batteries are designed to shut down automatically during power outages. This protects the system from delivering power out to the grid where it can endanger line workers. This means a grid-tied solar electric system does not provide backup power during an outage.
Adding a battery to your solar electric system gives you the ability to have backup power during power outages. And during an outage, the solar electric system is available to recharge the batteries when it's sunny.
Most battery backup systems are designed to power critical electric loads during an outage. Critical loads typically include the refrigerator, well pump, boiler, lights, and plug loads such as cell phone chargers. Larger battery systems can run additional loads or extend the battery runtime.
Interested in adding batteries to your solar electric system? Contact Maine Solar Solutions to learn more.
And for more answers to your questions, visit our website, mainesolarsolutions.com.